So, hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. So, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So tell me something about yourself.
Yes. I'm Bhagyashri Palkandwar. I'm from Nagpur and I'm a working professional. And today I'm here for SQL Mock Interview practice and refine my database knowledge.
Okay. Okay. So, what is the SQL?
SQL is a structured query language which is used to interact with the relational databases. It is used to perform CRUD operations like create, read, update, and delete. And SQL is a non-case sensitive language, sir. But in case of syntax or yes, it is a case sensitive.
Okay.
Syntax or dot.
Is it for record? Is it case sensitive?
Yes, for record is a case sensitive language.
What about syntax?
For syntax, it is a non-case.
So type of SQL command.
Yes, DDL command, DML command, DCL, DQL, and TCL commands are there.
What is the DML command?
DML is the data manipulation language command, which is used to manipulate the database. And in this DML, we can use insert, update, and delete command.
Okay. So whatever you perform DML can be rollback.
Uh, DML data can be rolled back. Yes.
Okay. So the difference between char and varchar.
Yes, char and varchar both are the data types in SQL, but the main difference is char is used to store the alphanumerical values, means alphabet, digits, and special characters, but char only store the fixed length of string, and each length is varies from 0 to 255 characters. And in varchar, sir, varchar is also store the alphanumerical values, but in varchar store the variable length of string. So as compared to char, varchar is lower.
Okay. Which one is better data type, char or varchar?
I think varchar is better.
Varchar is better. So difference between truncate and delete.
Yes, truncate is a DDL command in SQL. Delete is a DML command, sir. And in truncate, we can remove all rows quickly at one time, and in delete we can remove a single row according to our condition. So truncate is faster as compared to delete because truncate is quickly removes all the rows in a table, and truncate data cannot be rolled back once we delete it, but delete data can be rolled back. And in the case of auto increment case, truncate reset but delete cannot reset.
Okay. So what is the aggregate function and types?
Yes, sir. Aggregate function in SQL is used to perform mathematical calculations. There are five types in aggregate function: sum, max, mean, average, and count.
Okay. What is the max function?
Max function in SQL is used to find out the maximum value.
Okay. And what about sum?
By using sum, we get addition of all that arguments.
Okay. What about count?
Count is used to calculate the total number of records.
Okay. So Shri, suppose in table we have ID, name, and salary. And
Okay.
if I come to salary case, salary is suppose two record or null. Okay. And
Okay.
suppose the total record is six and four record is having some value. Okay.
Okay.
So if I come to count, hope you have used the count function. Okay.
Yes.
If I come to count, select count. If I put the column name from table name, so what happen?
Uh, you meant to say count salary,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Uh, okay. So it can count all the values in the table, means near about uh, s- uh, four rows.
Fourth row. It does not count null value. So suppose in a table salary column is there and fourth record is having some value and two
Oh,
record is null value. So there is
mm,
a one question. Hope you have used the count function, right?
yes.
When we come to count, if you put the salary in a inside of the count. Is it
Okay.
count the null value?
Hmm.
Right. So okay, so Bhageshi, suppose the again my question, if I want to count the numbers whatever the you have mentioned and whatever the null value you have given, if I want to count, then what to do?
Um, if we count the number of records, right,
Hmm.
then we use count of star from table name.
Okay. Is it star count everything null and whatever the
Um, yes, star count everything from the table, all
okay,
records.
okay, fine. So the aggregate function are five types, correct now?
Yes.
So what is the use of average function in SQL?
Average function in SQL is used to find the average data from the table.
Okay, good. So type of constant in SQL?
Yes, there are six types of constraint: not null, unique, check, default, primary key, and foreign key.
Okay. Difference between primary key and foreign key?
Primary key does not accept null and duplicate values in the table,
Okay,
and we can use only one primary key in a one table, sir.
okay,
And in a foreign key accept the null values and duplicate values, and we can use more than one foreign key also. Basically, foreign key is used to join the two tables together or multiple tables, and foreign key is a reference of primary key of another table.
okay, fine. Can is it possible? Can we put a null value in a primary key table?
No.
If we want to avoid foreign key column null value, then
Then we have to use not null constraint.
okay. Can we alter foreign key?
Yes, we can alter.
Can we alter primary key?
Yes, we can.
Okay. What is the difference between uh, not null and unique?
Not null constraint not accepted null values, and unique constraint accepted null values but not accept duplicate values.
Okay. Fine. So what is the alias in SQL?
Yes, sir. Alias is a temporary name which is given to the table or any column. And when we are dealing with joining multiple tables or long tables, or when we are using the subquery in our table, then alias is very useful, and it is alias can be represented using as keyword.
Okay. What is the subquery in SQL?
Subquery is a nested query, basically means query within another query. The main query is called as outer query, and the inner query is called as subquery. So the inner query run first and the result is transferred to the outer query.
Okay. So when we use subquery, is it the results come from outer query or inner query?
Result comes from outer query.
What is the on delete cascade in SQL?
On delete cascade is a one type of constraint in SQL. When we deleted records from the parent table, then records from the child table is automatically deleted using on delete cascade constraint.
Okay. Reference integrity. Okay. So which one is better, foreign key or on delete cascade?
I think according to the scenario, uh, foreign key. According to the scenario, we can decide that which one is better. But according to my knowledge, foreign key is better because it has a reference integrity.
Okay. Okay. So okay. So everything is okay. So is it possible to share your screen, Bhageshri?
Yes.
So Bhageshri, okay. Make one table where we have ID name and salary.
Yes, we can make.
Okay, yes. So ID you can give the not null.
Okay.
Create.
Okay, I create one table.
Hmm.
Employees.
Hmm.
ID is not null, right?
Yes.
Not null. Name. Name varchar. And salary. Okay, so table is created.
Is it possible to describe that your table?
Yes, by using describe
Hmm.
keyword, we can describe the table name. Table.
Okay. So insert some record.
Yes. Okay. So second record is it's 11 action.
One more record.
Two records are null.
Yes.
Wait. Hello.
Hmm. ठीक.
So now I display the records. Display the table.
Okay. So Bhageshri, is it possible to do average?
Yes, we can do average.
Write the code.
Average we apply on salary table
Okay.
and calculate the average of all salary.
Okay.
So
So
we
there
get
is one question, Bhageshri. Is it divided by 3 or 5?
um, it is divided by 3.
Okay. So if I want to divide by 5, then what to do? To divide by 5, then what to do?
Uh, I can use here sum function also.
Hmm. Okay.
Divided by 5.
Can we put count star here?
Yes, count star also we can apply.
Mhm.
By using count star, we get all number of records
Okay.
from table. 5.
So sum bracket में salary divide by count star. Fine. Okay. So why are you using count star here?
Because we have to divide means by all number of records.
Okay.
5 divided by 5. Sum of salary divided by 5.
Okay. So what is the round function in SQL?
By using round function, we can get a specific number
Hmm.
excluding the digits value.
Okay. So just write the code.
Yes. Select round off. So we get here actual value by using round means one value is increased in this number.
If I give the 0.29, then
Yes, if we give 0.29, then we get same value
okay.
means 45980, right?
Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
So Bhagyashri, what is the dual here?
Here, sir, dual is a dummy table in a Oracle,
Hmm.
which is already present in the
Okay.
Oracle software.
Okay. So okay, how to do concat two columns?
Yes, by using concat function.
Yes, do
Okay. Which column we have to
anything
concat?
you can take it by dual only. Check it anything.
Okay. Select concat. So I just concat two names. Concat.
Bhageshri, space I needed. Then what to do?
Yes, so we have to use here another concat like I just show you.
Inner
First,
concat. है ना?
inner concat we can use here means concat Ankita. Then again I can use here concat function and then take one space means we just concat space after Ankita, then surname Patil from dual.
No. What is the use of substr function?
Substr is used for the string manipulation. Substr is a built-in function in SQL, and substr is used to extract the substring from a string. It contains three arguments like substr in bracket string, then comma start position of the string, and comma length of the string.
Okay. Is it possible to write?
Yes. Select substr. Hmm. Here on this Ankita. 1 means it is started from A. 1, 2, 3 means we get A and K as an output.
Okay. If I give the if I'm replacing 3 by 4, then
3 by 4, then we get A and KI.
right?
Yes. Uh, 3 by 4.
Okay. If I start from 2,
Then we get NKI if we use 2 comma 4.
right?
Select 2 comma 4.
Okay, Bhageshri. Overall, okay. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay.